Hi, Rene here, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, go ahead and stop, subscribe, become a part of the family, okay? Because this is a place where I do my hair, a little bit of beauty, okay, some lifestyle. I basically just pull myself together. And I want you to be a part of the family so you can go on these journeys with me, okay? Those that are already a part of the family, hello, welcome back. Let's get down on this journey today, okay? Today I'm going to be trimming my hair, right? But I'm not going to be using my normal method of trimming my hair. I'm going to be using Deeper Than Hair TV's method of hair trimming at home, okay? Now I'm a little nervous because I haven't used anybody else's method of trimming my hair. I've always just done my little thing and, you know, my hair continues to grow. So doing someone else's method makes me a little nervous, but you know, we're gonna go on this journey together. So if you want to see how it goes, be sure to stay tuned. So I gathered all my materials, got all my things together, okay? So I have my hair shears that I'm gonna use for cutting my hair. If you are cutting your hair, trimming your hair, or if somebody else is cutting your hair, trimming your hair, make sure they're using hair shears, okay? Because they are a lot sharper and they are designed to cut the hair. Anything other than hair shears, I'm gonna leave your the shafts or the ends of the hair real blunt and more prone to splitting and breaking, and that's what we're trying to prevent when we're clipping the ends, okay? So remember that. Number two, I got an assortment of combs. I got this one, I have this one, I have this one for parting and, you know, just to comb through my hair. Yeah, and I got this comb because, you know, Aniki had it in her video and I, you know, wanna do my hair like her. So here we are. And I got my detangler brush just in case things get a little tangled, you know, and I need the brush to handle that. Okay. So I'm starting off with my hair nice and blow dried and blown out. And I'm about to show y'all what my ends look like, okay? So y'all can see these ones. I mean, they're not worse for wear, but they definitely need some love. You can see like a little sparseness in there. So we gotta get that together. Let's go around the back. Let's see what they look like. So like, not the worst. Like my ends are not in the worst shape, but they can stand a little TLC. So let's get into it, okay? Okay, so she was like, you need to start with like the crown of your head or your bang-yang, okay? And let me get my bang-yang. This is a lot of hair. Okay, hold on, let me see. I hope I don't mess this up. So it looked like she kind of did like a little U part. All right, got my bang-yang and try to get it even, child. All right, so she said, let me go ahead and comb through it. And then she was like, okay, you need to start looking at your ends and see how much you want to take off. Now, the interesting thing about my hair that it kind of grows, my hair kind of grows in a triangle, like in all sections where like most close to the center is the longest, and then when it goes further away from the center of my head, it gets shorter. So we gonna see how this goes. Yeah, and she said that it's probably best, like if you are getting your ends together, to, you know, do it on blown out hair, because that's when you can really see your ends and the length of your hair, really what you're working with. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna split this section because, like, if I were to cut this, I guess it would make my hair uneven. And so she was like, after she assessed her ends, she went in and kind of like perfected the section. Let me go ahead and make it more of a bang-yang. So then she was like, take it up high and just get everything evened out up here. And I wanted to try this method, you know, her method, because I wanted a more even cut. And let's bring it to the front. Let's see who's working with. Now look at that. We ain't not about to go out looking like that. Okay. So then she was like, all right, child, you're gonna take a part down the center. I'm gonna go ahead and get my middle part straight. Okay. And then, so let me put this away. Let's work through this now. Take that. Then she was like, girl, you're gonna go and take a part by your ear. Go ahead and take a part by the ear. Then she said, you take this section by your ear, child, and take that all the way up. We bend down so y'all can see how high I'm going up. Okay, take it all the way up. Supposed to match it with the section I already cut. And so that's kind of like right here from what it looks like to me. We're gonna clip this out the way. All right, let's see. Yeah, they comb through better. Yeah, okay. So then I'm supposed to do the same thing on this side. Look at all that. Like, look at all that. Where am I going? Where am I going with all those ends looking raggedy like that? Oh, you're looking stupid. Yeah, you gotta get them ends off. Don't let them old ends stay up there just because you want your hair to be long, okay? Because you can have long hair and them ends gonna let it know and you be out here looking raggedy. So make sure that your ends are healthy. If the overall health of your hair is good, no matter what style you have, it's probably gonna look good anyway. Cause it's like, wow, that girl got some healthy hair. But then she was like, all right, you're gonna take more of the crown, so we gotta get deeper in there with that front section that we did before. So let me get this part together first. So we got more of that crown. We're gonna throw this in the back. And then you just kind of take that section that we had from the very beginning. My hair feels better already, like the way I'm gliding this comb through and it's not like getting caught on my ends. Okay, so she said take this part up after you get more of that crown, honey. And I went ahead and clipped across. That's what I did. So you see it's already kind of straight because I already did it. Okay, so then she went ahead and threw that hair. Let me take this back loose. Ooh. All right, y'all, we making strides. My hair is feeling better though. All right, so she split her hair down the middle. And then she was like, girl, what you gonna do is split that hair down the middle, honey, and bring those pieces to the front. It's already like looking a lot better. Y'all can see it. Go ahead and brush this out so all the hair can come down. What I did was split my hair down the middle, just so I can evenly come to the front, okay? Okay, so from here, I need to go ahead. So what she did was bring all the hair to the front, and then cut along like any patchiness that she saw. And she actually flat ironed her hair, but she was like, I don't recommend you to do that, so I'm not gonna do that, okay? And so I'm going to assess the ends here, look for any like, I guess, weird inconsistencies, any sparse pieces. It's not really sparse, but it feels very rough and jagged, so it can definitely stand like a good cut across. Oh, that look a little raggedy. Like I said, the ends don't look bad, but my hair is just not even. So hopefully this cut will even it out a bit. And like, you can kind of see how like around the top of that dome there, like right across here, that top dome was kind of sparse, and I want everything to be dense. I want it to all look alike, okay? So guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna cut right across there. Hello? Hello? All the same density, that's what I want, okay?
So guys, I went ahead and trimmed my hair the same way on the other side, okay? If you are enjoying this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you'll know when I drop a new video, okay?
Okay, y'all, look how even it is already. I already deepened the hair TV. Well, I mean, she's a hairstylist, so she knows what she's doing, okay? All right, my ends and hair already feel better and like smoother at the end. All right, y'all, let's see where we at now, okay? Let's get this hair to the back. Let's see what we look like. You see, it's looking more even, okay? Okay. Bring it to the front, yes. And so from here, she went in and, you know, trimmed herself some layers around the front. I'm not gonna do that, but I'm gonna go back through my hair and parting just to make sure everything's even. So now she was like, you can go through the hair and check and make sure things are even, you know, just the way that you like it. And like, I'm feeling that. Like, things are even and looking good. So then she was like, okay, sis, you gotta go in and get them edges because, you know, most of your hair is long, but your edges, depending on, you know, the state of your edges, they may be long. So if you caught them with the trimming that you already did, good. My edges are not long, so I'm gonna have to go in there and get them edges so they can grow and be healthy and be snatched too, okay? So what she did was part along the edge line here. My edges are not as long as like the rest of my hair. So of course, I didn't catch all these ends in that, okay? And like, you know, some spaces of my edges are sparser than others. Child, because they be doing their own thing. I don't know where these edges came from. Okay. So I got them parted down. I'm going to clip this in the back here. Okay, so I guess I need to get these looking like some. Now, she was like basically go in and trim the shorter pieces of my hair. And the way my edges go, they go like, you know, from shorter to longer, and so that's how I'm gonna attempt to clip these. I'm a hairstylist, you know, certified hairstylist. I am a certified Rene hairstylist, so I'm able to do my hair the best I can. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get it even, and I'm gonna clip it on an angle because like that's the way the hair naturally falls, and that's how I want the length to go. But yeah, like all that. I mean, it just looked sparse, so we're just gonna go ahead and clip that. Okay? It was all uneven anyway. A little sparse right there, girl. Struggle bus. But we're gonna get them back. I don't know what happened. And make sure they're about even. Yep, edge is even. Okay, we also gotta get the nape of our neck too, Jet. So let's see. Whew. I'm going to part the back of this nape here. Yeah, so nape of my hair is really, really long, so I probably got a lot of that when I trimmed it, but we'll see. Yeah, like I got a lot of that when I trimmed it.
Alright y'all, so I went ahead and took those nape pieces. Since it was kind of long, I decided to go for the shorter one, so I split that whole section in half just so I can get those really, really short pieces that tend to be obviously shorter and definitely need to be clipped because they didn't get caught in the clipping process, okay? So basically what I did, felt down to the roughest part of those ends and clipped it off and did the same thing to the other side and made sure they match up because I want no uneven hair.
Alright, so I got these little nape pieces together. I'm going to get it all down. Let's see what we done, y'all. I got another clip hiding in my hair somewhere. Ooh. My ends just feel so much smoother. Like my hand can go through a lot smoother and not really get caught at the ends. Alright, let me give y'all a 360 view. Ready?
Okay. Y'all, that hair evened up real, real nice. Like, that tutorial is super lit. Like, okay, deep in the hair. I see you getting me all the way together.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed my hair trimming tutorial. I had such a great time following Deep in the Hair TV tutorial. Like, it was mad easy to follow. Like literally, anybody could do it. Anybody could do it. It just takes a little bit of patience and time. Her instructions, her video was straight to the point. Gave me everything I need to know to figure out how to trim my hair and make it even, okay? I did not butcher my hair. Whew, I was a little worried that I was gonna mess it up, but Deep in the Hair TV's instructions, her video was straight to the point. I'm gonna leave it down in the description box below so you can check it out. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like it, right? Go ahead and comment down below and let me know what you think, okay? Let me know your experience with trimming your hair at home, right? Let me know if you're gonna use this video to trim your hair, okay? And before you go, right? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and join the family. And until next time, see you later.
Hey, before you go, don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.